Hey, I want to talk to you about Vion. Vion are a provider of multiple Tesla accessories. The one that I'm going to show you today are the window shades. They provide window shades that have dual purpose. One of them is reflective, and the other one is the one that I consider the stealth mode. So I want to show you what those look like. Come with me, and I'll show you what that means. Right now, if you look at the car from this side, you'll see that you can barely see anything inside. That's because I am using the stealth mode of the window shades. So what that means is that when I put them on, showing the dark side. The black side is the one that makes it seem like the car is like super tinted. It allows you to be inside the vehicle without people being suspicious that you're inside. And then if I put it the other side, this is the one that like you usually use during the day so that it reflects the sun towards the outside and the cabin stays cooler. So these shades, the one thing that I like the most about them is that they are made to the shape and they don't require a lot of effort. You just put them up like this and you close the door. You hold it back a little bit so that it doesn't fall. And then when you close the door, they're already inside. But if you come to this side and you look at the front windshield, you'll notice that I'm using the reflective side. So this keeps the heat outside of the car. And it allows you to still be inside, or you can leave the car on its own. And they are done to the shape of the windshield, and it also has a strap on the top that allows you to wrap it around the rear view mirror. So let's come on this other side just to see what it looks like, which has the dark side on, and you can see the difference. So you'll notice that you cannot see anything inside, and it's not because it's very tinted, it's because the shades are on the black side pointing out. So it also has the rear hatch here. So the hatchback I'm also covering. This allows us to camp and be inside the vehicle without allowing anyone to look inside. So this is our setup. When we sleep, we pull out the mattress on top of the platform, and when we close the shades and the window, you cannot see inside. So that's it. Those are the Vion window shades that I wanted to show you, and I highly recommend them. I'm gonna leave a link to purchase them below in the description of this video, and let's continue. That's it.